Hello guys, if you want to run Kali Linux on any device or any browser without installing it, then this video is only for you. Don't miss this video. What's going on guys, this is me Mehdi Shakil and you are watching SS Tech Tutorial. So guys, today in this video I am going to show you that how you can run Kali Linux or any other Linux only using on your browser. Using this method, you can run Kali Linux on any device you have. If your device has a browser, then that's it. You can run Kali Linux on that device too. So, without talking too much, let's get into the video.
So guys, to run Kali Linux online, you just need a browser. And that's it. Now let me show you how to do it. Now open up your browser on your favorite device and search on Google Linux-do. Then go to this first website. Then you need to sign up here account. Click on account links and select the registration form from the drop down menu. Then click here to proceed the registration. Fill up this form using email and password and register an account. I already have an account, so I am gonna log in directly. Now type your login details here and click on login. Okay, now you need to join the queue. Click here on the join queue button. Now select the OS what you want to run from this drop down menu. Choose Kali Linux from the list. And here select fresh Linux install image. Now switch on it. Now it will take some time to boot it up. See the boot progress bar to complete and wait. When the boot is complete, go to connect. From here you can use the Kali Linux with different service like SSH, Telnet and VNC. Click on JavaScript VNC and it will directly run Kali Linux on your browser. Here is our Kali Linux. Now log into your Kali Linux machine. Username is root and password is Kali. Okay guys, now you can see here your Kali Linux is ready to use. You can use all Kali Linux tool directly from here and it works fine. Guys, it really works very well. You can try this out and let me know in the comment if there any problem you got.
So guys, that's all for today. I hope you like this video. If you really like this video and enjoyed this video, then please give it a big thumbs up and comment down below what do you think about this video. And guys, if you're new to this channel, then please do subscribe this channel and press the bell icon to get all the latest upcoming video tutorial notification. Because I always upload this type of interesting videos in my channel. If you subscribe this channel and press the bell icon, then you'll get all the latest uploading video notification on your device. So guys, that's all for today. Thanks for your watching. I'm Mehdi Shakil, you are watching SS Tech Tutorial and I'm signing out.